Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I've got an unboxing. So I bought on Modelones website, I bought the Christmas bundle with the lamp and some bits and pieces. It was £32 something. So I thought, because I get 30% off, I'll get some other bits and pieces. So I got some, sorry, excuse me. So I got some snowflakes. I don't know if you can see that, the camera's above me, so I've got to sort of look up a bit. So I've got some snowflakes for next crumble. Got some shapes and some different coloured snowflakes, some iridescents and some solid colours, which I was quite happy with. Can't remember how much they were, but I'll have a look. And I also ordered, as you can see, 4 bottles of polish on there, $2. Well, yeah, $2, £2 bottles of gel. So I got a pink. I actually swatched these. Actually, let me just see if I can quickly find those. Not that drawer. They would be here. Do that one. Is it that one? Definitely not. Oh my lordy, I've lost them. Oh, here they are. Alright, so I swatched these 4 colours today. So here's the 4 colours. So that is Puppy Love Pink. And what I do is I swatch them on the other side of a pop stick, and then I just go down one side with a matte coat. So you get an idea of what it looks like. I got 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I got the lilac-y purple, which is Esmeralda, and the orange, which is pumpkin. Now they've gone back to their full price of £7 something. I always look in there for colours I don't have. So with all of that, this should have cost me £45. And after I used Share 30 code, which is on Honey, which is a coupon website, does your codes, and also from Modelones themselves off of Facebook, it cost me £30 and some pence. Now this kit is £32. So to be honest with you, I got this and these free. Free. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open the box and show you what I got inside the box. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my camera off and rearrange it so that I can see what I'm doing. So back in a mo. So this is the box open. I haven't took everything out yet. So you got your instructions on how to do things. You got some polygel forms, which is good. Whoops. You got the 6 colours. I'll swatch those in a bit. I'll show you them in a bit. You get a 15 gram of clear polygel and a 15 gram of pink polygel. Plus you also get their brush. I can't get it out. The brush. Right, that's the first layer. Bidding. Second layer. So in your second layer, you get a colour wheel. I quite like that. Never had one of those ones before. I usually just use pop sticks, so that's all good. You get a nail art box, sticker box. So you get stickers, decals, and some glitters. So let's see what you get. So you get a nail art tool in a nice little envelope, which is kind of pretty. So I'm like, oh, what'd you get? And you get a little pair of tweezers. They're not the greatest. I mean, you know, they're not finely tuned, but they'll do the trick for picking up stuff. So there's your tweezers. And you get a rhinestone wheel. I might use these for nail art because I'm not going to use my Swarovskis. You get some, 2 lots of Christmas stickers, which I quite like. I know it's a Christmas thing, but look, there's a kiss me there, so that could be used for Valentine, that can be used for Valentine, that could be used for Valentine, Easter maybe. I mean, I could probably, not this one, because it's too Christmassy, but this one's got a few things on there I could use for Valentine's as well as Christmas. So there's them. And there's some that are white, so I'm assuming that they're probably glow in the dark. Like, I've got white reindeers on here, I don't know if you can see that. And then you get, your little 4-pack of glitters, which are quite cute. They're very Christmassy. And you also get some little metal shapes. So you've got Santa in there. Can't remember what else. You've got Santa and snowflakes, reindeer. I've got the same ones but in gold. So that's that done. Right. And then in your next bag, you get your wipes, UV gel cleanser. Alright, okay, so they're cleanser wipes by the looks of it, which I've never noticed before. They are removal wipes, removal tab things, that's quite good. You get toe separators, you get some files, you get some cuticle, you get some nippers, cuticle pusher, your brushes, and also you get an oil pen. Now, I bought a couple of these off of their Modelones website, because I'll either buy it from Modelones or website, or I will buy it from their AliExpress page. So I actually got this one, which is quite nice. I've been using it. I know my fingers are grotty, but I don't care. If I gave a shit, they'll be done. And I don't care that they're not looking perfect, because that's it. So you get an oil pen. What fragrance is this one? I can't figure out the fragrance because I've got this one open already, but it's really nice. I like it. It's well worth it. I bought like the ones that I got from them, Modelones. I bought off AliExpress and they were like 70 something pence or 70p, less than 80p. But on their website they're like £1 something, and you can't pick the fragrance, but on their AliExpress page you can. So I shop between AliExpress and Modelones website. Now if I want to buy something good and I want my 30% off, then I'll go to their Modelones website. But if I just want something and I'm quite happy to wait, I'll go to AliExpress, it's not a problem. Now look, in my box is another box. So let me get that one out. So, as you can see, it's a new lamp. Now, I wanted a new lamp anyway, and I thought, you know what, I'll buy a kit, because it was cheaper, to be honest with you. So it is a Nature Plus 5 lamp, which I'm assuming is a Modelones one, their own brand lamp. And all looks nicely wrapped. I was thinking, where's the lead? There's the lead. Right, let's have a look, make sure what that lead is. Oh, it's an American lead. It doesn't matter because I've got an adapter, so it's not a problem. I've got an American adapter, so it's all good. So I can use that. And I might even have a plug that will fit it. That's an English one because of the end. It's like an old type of like lead, and I've got hundreds of those from my laptop and everything. So now let's take out the lamp. Right, let's take this box down. You have to excuse my desk; it's a mess. So it don't look so grey. Right, there we go. So, quite a nice lamp. You get your obligatory numbers: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, half heat mode, on and off button, plug at the back, and you get your plate that's metal, that's magnetic. There's all your lights. Looks like a fan as well. Looks very nice. So I suppose that's for like if you want to do your feet, you just take that off, whatever, I don't know. Right, let's find a power lead. Right, so you can't see that, but as you can see, I've got power to it now. I just went and got a lead, my old laptop computer lead, and used that. 1 second. Right, sorry, I just moved my camera down a bit. If I sniff, I'm really sorry. I don't even realise I'm doing it. Right, so I found my power lead for my computer to get it going. So you've got your 30 seconds. Oh, is it on? Yeah, it's on. Oh, for crying out loud. Let's get down here so I can see what I'm doing. So you press the 30 seconds and it's on automatic. Oh, you can't see that. Whoops. So you press your time that you need. I don't know if it will show you, if you can see, it's got automatic. 1 second, let me just turn out my light a minute. Turn it down, let's see. Okay, right, so I pressed 30 seconds, and because I touched it, it started to count down, but I took my hand out and it stopped. So it's on automatic, so you press your time you want and put your hand in. And see, it starts at 30 seconds again. So you could probably do it quick, take your hand out, but it automatically puts it back to 30 seconds. Same with the 60. It takes it just automatically to go on, comes off. And with your slow heat mode, so yeah, you can feel the difference, it's not so warm. But yeah, that's it. Let's have a look. Right, so I've turned it off automatic, and you just turn it off automatic and you press the time and it will just start. Oh, it takes it automatically to auto again. Okay. Okay, well, that's it. That's my light. Right, so what I'm going to do is, I've got a sun UV lamp that I've had for about a year now. It's well and truly loved, as you can see. It's got gel all over it and it's dirty. But I want to try and see which one bakes good. Now, they're both supposed to, right, this new one is supposed to be a 48 watt lamp. Sorry. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get my white glitter bells polish on pop sticks, and I'm going to bake them both for 30 seconds, because sometimes my old lamp doesn't always bake as good, and I want to see how it finishes. So I will do that and then I'll come back to you. Right, so I've baked them both for 30 seconds, given 2 coats, and they both bake really well. So far it's all right. I mean, I was having problems with my other lamp. Sometimes it wouldn't bake in the middle and I don't know why, but these come up all right. There's 2 coats of white, can't go wrong really. So far, pros, it's really good. To be honest, even for the lamp and all the bits, it's really good money. It is really good money. I'm really happy with that. Right, let's get on to the other stuff. Okay, so that is my video of this kit. So if you just bought the kit on its own, it's £32. If you spend over, like, I think £40 or something, I can't quite remember, you'll get free postage. But if you use the code SHARE30, you get your 30% off, so it's good. So in the kit you get polygel forms, you get embellishments and tools, you get a colour wheel to practice on as well, instructions, you get a manicure kit, your polishes and your lamp. All of that for £32. Is it worth it? Definitely worth it. I would recommend to buy it, I tell you. I know if you're starting to learn to do polishes as well, it's a wicked little kit to have. You've got literally everything you need to do a gel nail kit set. You can't go wrong. Any cons? Not yet. I haven't found any, but if there's any I come across, I will quite happily let you know in future videos. The power lead wasn't a problem, because it's just an English power lead I put on there. It won't hurt it, it's not going to damage it, you know, I haven't got nothing to worry about. So it's, for me, I know that it's safe, so I wouldn't do it otherwise. That's it. I've done some swatching on the colours, and I'm going to put some nail art and do them on a separate video. But thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know how you think, what you think of it. I know that I say some things wrong, but it is what it is. I shall see you in my next video, and you will have an absolute wonderful weekend. You take care. Ta-da. Bye.